Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Putri Puspita Puspodikromo and my NPM is 2388203032 and this is my assignment about consonant voice. The first P. This is in word like park, happy, cup. This is in word like tree, water, and cat. K, k. This is in word like kite, baker, duck. B, b. This is in word like bug, rabbit, crab. The next is s, s. This is in word like sun, pencil, bus. This is in word like man, summer, farm. The sound like nose, dinner, rain. Some example words like fish, coffee, leaf. Some example words like van, seven, love. Shh, shh. Some example words like shoe, fashion, dish. Ch, ch. This is in words like chair, teacher, watch. Next, z, z. Some example words like zoo, lazy, quiz. W, w. Some example words like water, forward, view. Some example words like rain, carrot, start. The sounds like leaf, yellow, bell. G, g. Some example words like cow, tiger, duck. T, t. This is in words like door, lady, colt. Y, y. This is in words like yes, player, day. This is in words like 3, 2,000. This is in words like fleece, mother, smooth.